What is going on? So I have another little quick tip for you. It's going to involve your door and just making sure that your drain ports at the bottom are clean. I noticed on my way home from work today that I had some sloshing going on inside my driver's door, which isn't good. Standing water inside of a door with this metal is going to cause corrosion, rust, so it's something simple that you might want to check probably once a year, come spring when the rain starts coming up. You might want to just clean those ports. So I'm going to show you where mine is on the Mustang, and they're pretty much in the same place on every car, but you'll see the water come out. So let me get down there. So I got two. Got one right there and one in the back. But this one has little caps. Just pop it out of the way, and look at all that water that just drained out of my door. I'm going to leave my cap out and let that finish draining. I don't know how much that got on footage. It was probably a lot of blurred, but I'm gonna leave it out and let it continue to drain. So yeah, keep those drains clean, keep the rust away. Thanks for watching.